Hello everyone, this is Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. I also want to remind you that some of my video courses are already available. Buy them if you haven't done it yet. I would really appreciate your support. Today I'd like to give you a review of this double-sided sweatshirt of blend wool. Watch the previous videos if you haven't done it yet. I showed you how to make a pattern for this sweatshirt, how to cut and tack it. Now I'd like to show it to you in detail. Notice that the pink side is edged with the blue threads. The blue side is visible in the seams. The seams are decorative. They make the sweatshirt look very interesting. They were made with a cover stitch machine. There is a seam in the center back. Let's have a look at the other side. I love the design. This sweatshirt is very comfortable. A lot of people have asked me about why do we call this garment a sweatshirt. Well, how do you think should we call it? I believe that if we sew a garment, we are free to call it whatever we want. A sweater, a sweatshirt, a blouse. This is how it looks like from the blue side. The pink side is visible in the seams. The sleeves look very beautiful, then they're rolled. I showed you how to make the pockets. I hope you remember how to do it. The pocket bags and the underlay pieces were sewn inside. Now it's time to cut the pocket openings. I need to measure and mark 1 cm down from the seam and draw a line here. Do not reach the sides of the pocket. I need to cut 1 layer of fabric. Be very attentive. The pocket is ready. You can see the pink underlay piece in the opening. This is a very useful technique. I'd rather cut about 3 mm in order to make the underlay piece visible. I'm cutting a tiny detail. It's just 3 mm wide. I've cut just 1 layer of fabric. The pocket is ready. There is a pocket bag inside of it. I've already shown you how to make such pockets. Next, I need to make a pocket opening in the second detail. I've invented this technique long ago, but I didn't have an opportunity to try it. I love the result. That's it. The blue side is ready. Next, I'm going to turn the sweatshirt to the other side and cut the openings on the pink side as well. I remind you that the garment is double-sided. It's very warm. I'm cutting the pocket openings on the pink side. I hope you remember that we stitched 2 underlay pieces to the pocket back. The blue one is on the pink side and vice versa. We don't need to edge the openings. This is the best thing about working with the blend wool. This is how the pockets look like. Don't worry if they stretch a bit. It's okay. There are the pockets on the other side as well. Here they are. Next, Oля is going to put the sweatshirt on. Have a look at Ola. She's happy to have a new sweatshirt. Have a close look at it. I remind you that garments with the drop shoulders are very popular now. You can use the same pattern to make different garments. Be creative. Change the designs we show you however you like. Next, Ola is going to change the side of the sweatshirt. Have a look at the pink side. The blue seams look very nice, as well as the blue cuffs. I love the result. Have a close look at the sweatshirt. Ola, turn around, please. Have a close look at the seams. They are very beautiful. We devoted several videos to this garment. We've stitched it with the cover stitch machine off the camera. I've shown you how to cut the pocket openings today. The pockets are also double-sided. The sweatshirt is very warm and comfortable. I'm sure that you will also like this idea. It doesn't matter whether you make it of blend wool or not, double-sided or not. I was happy to show you this design and technique. Such garments are pretty popular now. Let's be different and beautiful every day together. This is what I'm here for. We show you a lot of different techniques and designs for free. I hope you appreciate it. That's all for today. We are Irina Paukshte and Ola. Buy my courses, subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.